Hello everyone. Let's write number from 1 to 10. Grab your fingers on the pencil and follow the number dots to trace the numbers. So let's start together. 0. Start from the top and turn around. This is number 0. Number 1. Follow the number dots to write 1. Start from the top and go straight down. We have 1 pineapple. Number 2. Curve around like a duck head and then a line across. This is number 2. We have 2 apples. Number 3. 2 small curves make number 3. We have 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3. 4. Follow the number dots to trace 4. Down across and then down once more to make like a chair. We have 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5. Follow the number dots in sequence to draw number 5. We have 5 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a curl, then bring it around. This is number 6. We have 6 oranges with us. 7. Across the top and then slant down. This is number 7. We have 7 avocados with us. 8. Make an S and close it tight to make number 8. We have 8 cherries. 9. Circle on top and then line down. This is number 9. We have 9 blueberries. 10. 1 and 0 side by side together make a perfect 10. Follow the number dots to trace 10. This is number 10. We have 10 berries with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 raspberries. So let's draw a number together with me. 0. A circle around is a 0. 1. 2. Curve around like a duck head and then a line across. That is number 2. 3. 2 small curves makes number 3. 4. Down across, then down once more like a chair to make number 4. 5. 6. Make a curl and then bring it around to write number 6. 7. Across the top, then slanting down, write number 7. 8. Make a S and close it tight to write number 8. 9. A circle on the top and then line down to make 9. And 1 and 0 together to write 10. Follow the number dots traced in a sequence to write 10. Great job! Now you are number writing star. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Keep watching YNOD Academy. Stay curious, keep learning. Thank you for watching.